Last week we decided to have a go at making boiled fruitcake in our Thermomix, and it turned out really well. Here's what I used. I chose to use ginger beer. I used the Mix Shop bundt tins, which I use both of them at the same time because this makes a really big cake, and of course I used my Thermomix. So let's have a look at the steps. The first thing I did was I combined my dry ingredients in my Thermomix and removed them from the bowl. Then I weighed in all the other ingredients that were going to go into my fruit mix, and I set my Thermomix to boil. While my Thermomix was busy, I did a couple of things. I greased my tin really well with butter, and I also broke up my eggs. So 4 eggs into a jug and broke them up with a fork. The next step is really important. You must let the boiled fruit cake mixture cool down to at least 80 degrees before you continue. So what are we doing? We're boiling, mixing, baking. Too easy. Alright, then we pour our fruit cake batter into our 2 greased bowls and bake. How long for? It depends on your oven and the size of your tins. Using a bundt tin like this makes it much quicker. If you want the recipe, look in the description below or Google us.